Today, I'll walk you through how to add a TXT record in Cloudflare DNS, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to configure your DNS settings so you can enhance your domain's functionality. Let's get started. First, open your Cloudflare dashboard. This is your command center for managing your domain settings. It's where all the magic happens. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Cloudflare updates its interface from time to time. Once you're in, the next step is to select your domain. Look for the domain name you want to work with. This is like picking the right tool from your toolbox. Click on it to access its specific settings. Now, navigate to the DNS settings. This section is where you can manage all your DNS records, including A records, CNAME records, and of course TXT records. Click on the DNS tab. You should see a list of existing records for your domain. Next, we need to add a new record. Look for the button that says Add Record or something similar. This is akin to adding a new entry in a contact list. You're creating a new piece of information that your domain will use. Now, it's time to enter the record details. You'll need to specify the type, which in this case is TXT. Then, enter the name for the record. This could be your domain name or a subdomain depending on what you're setting up. After that, input the content of the TXT record. This is the actual information that will be associated with your domain. Finally, set the TTL or time to live, which determines how long the record should be cached by DNS servers. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Save. This is like sealing the envelope after writing a letter. You're finalizing your changes and making them official. And there you have it. You've successfully added a TXT record in Cloudflare DNS. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.